I'm out here in a job today in DY for a customer who's been getting internet dropouts. Now they've been called us out today. The ISP's basically taken a look, but you can see here inside this adapter, you see the corrosion there on that right hand port. That's sort of touching, making enough to sort of create a HR, high resistive joint, and then that's enough to drop out the line. So I'm going to plug it into the lines test set and just show you what it actually does. So I've plugged the lead into that port there, and then I've got that then connected to the lines test set. And as you can see on the lines test set here, we're getting a reading on that. Now if I wriggle this around a bit, I'll push this in through here. You can see it moves around. So this is enough. Before it was going off the Richter, off the red. But this would be enough for it to drop out. It should be sitting on 0. So that'll be enough to drop your internet out. So check your plugs, check all your adapters, make sure that is what the problem is not.